pebble pop, a pebble.
In a garden full of colorful flowers lived a giraffe with giggly powers. Her neck was long, her spots were bright. She'd laugh and giggle day and night. With each little step a giggle flew, spreading joy in every hue. The daisies danced as she passed by, the butterflies flapped up to the sky. The roses blushed, the lilies smiled. Giggly Giraffe made it all worthwhile. Her laughter echoed through the trees, tickling the leaves and buzzing bees. She'd play with frogs on lily pads and share her giggles with the lads. The rabbits twirled in joyful glee as Giraffe sang in harmony. The garden sparkled, the earth did sway with every giggle along the way. The clouds above would giggle too, shaped like hearts and skies of blue. The moon would wink, the stars would hum as Giggly Giraffe's laughter strung. With every twirl the garden bloomed, creating magic as it zoomed.